risk.
Hospitalizations of younger adults are surging during the COVID pandemic.
Elise Haas joins us live with what OHSU doctors are saying about these new hospitalizations. Elise?
Ken and Jenny, so the biggest goal to move forward out of this pandemic and go on with our lives is to keep people out of the hospitals and to keep people from dying. And at the beginning of the pandemic, we saw our older population get hit so tragically hard, especially those in the congregate care setting. But that is why they were prioritized #1 in the vaccine rollout. And now that most of them have received their vaccine, doctors at OHSU are seeing different kinds of patients coming into the hospital, and it's a wide range of ages, and namely, they're younger. So instead of that usual vulnerable population of 65 and up, and seeing that people in their 70s, 80s, and 90s, OHSU Associate Chief Medical Officer for Capacity and Management, Dr. Matthias Merkel, says that the ages are now ranging among the 30s, 40s, and people in their 50s.
What has changed through this pandemic and what is different in this fourth wave is we're seeing younger people getting COVID and getting very sick with it. As an example, right now we have 5 patients, all under 60, in our medical ICU on the maximal treatment we can offer for COVID-19 lung failure.
And to give you an idea of how bad it is for these folks, nearly 20 people so far in 2021 at OHSU have required this kind of life support for their lungs, and that is the same number of people for 2020 in total. So COVID is not being kind. And given the fact that Dr. Merkel is seeing people in their 50s on life support, he says this means 2 things. 1, the vaccine is clearly working to protect the older, most vulnerable population, those 65 and up. But 2, he says, choosing not to protect yourself with a vaccine is a gamble. And he really stresses that if you are still in that group who is feeling hesitant, to call your doctor. It is their job to answer your questions and concerns. He says there's also another group of the wait and see kind of crowd to see how the vaccine's working. And based off of the real world data of 106 million Americans being vaccinated and nearly 250 million more, halfway there, basically Moderna is proving to be 95% effective in preventing hospitalization and death, and Pfizer is doing even a little bit better at 97%. So those are the odds that Dr. Merkel says he really likes. Ken and Jenny.
Thank you, Elise. Starting tomorrow,